Hello, guys. My name is Chris. You are welcome to today's live session of Real Estate Talks. This is just a promo trying to invite you to our forthcoming webinar on Saturday, 14th March by 12 noon West African time. So, 2 weeks ago precisely, we had a realtor here with us by the name Landlady Jane, where we talked about real estate. We talked about those things that we believe will help you to grow in the real estate space. So this coming Saturday by 12 noon, Jane will be joining us again. So we would encourage you to tune in both to our Anchor, our handle, Christmas Lagos, and Ezenwa Lillian Jane Alo. The promo is out there, the flyer is out there on our Facebook page and also on her Facebook page. So we encourage you to join us, okay? And let's have another great time of talks on real estate. So it's going to be a special time discussing product knowledge with the experts, with the consultants, the real estate coach. So it's going to be live, also going to be interesting. So I encourage you to tune in. And if you miss it, make sure you don't miss the broadcast online because it's going to be kept out there on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Okay, so join us on Saturday as we talk about product knowledge in real estate. It's going to be a great time. It will take place here at our studio, Christmas studio. Um, maybe an hour or an hour 30 minutes, depending on the willingness of our guests. So we look forward to having you join us this Saturday, 16th of March by 12 p.m. West African time. Madam Landlady Jane would be here to discuss product knowledge in real estate. Thank you very much. God bless you and see you. Ciao. And of course, you can also prepare your questions. Okay, prepare your questions and let's see how it goes. God bless you. Bye. See you on Saturday.